Twambe mavomo na musesi ya Munini wa musumbi unang'uthulilwe kuma Kivilani Rigathi Gachagua niwalumiliilya kana ndeyumbanitye kutua kortini kusyiiya kuvetangwa kana kutungwa uvisini aiweta eenda ikoani yake yumye muthya nthini wa ilungu ya mwai umwe ukite. Gachagua kwisila mawakili make ni mwatavya koti undu aki yake ta Mutongoi na ivenge kauta sya katiba syalite kana syalile kuatiwa ni mbunge nene pamwe na ya seneti kusembethya kuvetangwa kwake kuma uvisini wa mwanya wake uyoswa ni Profesa Kithure Kindiki. Iseso ila wavo ya koti yungamye ikoani yake ithele. Benjamin
Munini wa president unang'uthulilwe ni mbunge kuma Kivilani Rigathi Gachagua niwetete kwa ulumuliki ikoani yake ina wito malonenga na welesyo vate kuvenya kana munini mwa wa president unavutukithiwe ni mbunge Profesa Kithure Kindiki ndaile kwa vivyo kulika mwanani uona vanini
and he will have his time to.
Gachagua ni wakulya koti yungamye vyo unyuvi wa munini mwa wa president aiweta unyuvi mbe uyati ya miao kwa mbunge kulea kumkonya mwene nthi Iseso ya wasanyo wa mawani vathukanuni na miao.
The executive is asking for a conservatory order to be lifted. Deputy President is not a small position in the hierarchy of Kenya at all. He has overwhelming political following.
The weighty issues identified by the three judges are one, the issue of public participation. The petitioner here says the public participation was a sham.
Ingi Gachagua enda koti yungamye unyuvi wa Kindiki na iviche kesi zothiyo thea unyuvi wake mizingine ya kwitha unyuvi wake kwisila nzama ya IEBC na uvathukanu na miao. Mawakili make maiweta IEBC itona kuungama. Mawakili make maiweta IEBC itona kuungama thina mainini va makomishona atatu ala kwao yumatebo ona umwe.
The membership of the Constitutional Commission is between 3 and 9 members. In other words, the composition of the Constitutional Commission ought not be less than 3 and not more than 9. The court goes on to say that if the secretariat, and in this case the CEO to the IBC, would then be seen to execute the functions of the commission, it would then mean that the commissions would go beyond the constitutional dictated number of either 3 or 9. If the orders are lifted, is to have a person who was not duly appointed in accordance with the constitution taking over the office of the deputy president.
Niwalumiliilya ndeyumbanitye kwikala mbathukanuni sya koti kwa ivinda yasa ati ono waila ukwata aki nthini wa mwai umwe ukite kavindani kale ikoani ya ilonenganwa utio wa muthya.
That it is now possible, courtesy of your directions, to ensure that we can be able to have a judgment on merits for purposes of the various petitions that are before you. That would be an absolutely important issue for this court to remember, because it is being made as if it will not giving due process and ensuring substantive hearing of this matter, that we shall be here until forever. But all these businesses can actually be concluded within the month of November.
Ngaliko ya ule viru viweta vena vate ikoani thi isilwe na utio wa kuungamia munini wa president ayivyo kithito thumba ute iweta ene vimena kiuyo kingi yulwa kila kiendeye uwelesyo langa Gachagua ulianite na vyo.
The speaker called the House Business Committee. They met. Article 118 was speaking to that committee that you shall facilitate public participation and involvement in the legislative and other business of parliament and its committees. That committee turned a blind ear to this speech by the constitution. I want to ask how we cannot stop the confirmation, the assumption of office of Honorable Kindiki on this argument only until we argue this matter fully and settle it at the hearing of the main petition.
Vilingu wa mauvu kumava kaunti ni lovi nyanito Benjamin na Mwakam.